Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am going to be using stickers from the fabulouslycreative.com. I'll be planning in my DIY planner, which is a Fauxbonichi Skinny Classic or Classic half sheet, and I'll be using some of the stickers from the February kit as well as the Girl Boss kit. Um, I am still planning away from home. I'm not back home yet. So my setup is a little different, so I apologize for the lighting, but I did the best I could do. These are the washi tapes that I have with me, and I'm going to start by laying down some of this skinny rose gold washi in between the boxes for the days of the week. And I'm going to alternate it with the pink bows. I think this is the Vines and Hearts is what it's called. It's Simply Gilded Washi. The Girl Boss collection is available as a kit over at thefabulouslycreative.com, and you can use my code RACHFAB for that, as well as the other stickers and die cuts and items available in the shop. So be sure to check that out. And I'm alternating the colors to add interest and to add a little more color to the spread. And again, these inserts are free in the Fabulously Creative group on Facebook. And I'll include a link in the description box below to the group. Okay, so all of my washi is laid. Now I'm just flipping through the Girl Boss sticker book, and I want to put a planner down on Sunday, but I decided to go ahead and lay down my dolls first because they are usually larger, and then I can build around them. So now I'm going to use this smaller planner in the box, and I'm going to use its planning time sticker that I made. And I'm going to find one that's kind of a peachy color to coordinate with the rest of the spread. Then I'm just flipping through the stickers, seeing what else I want to use. And down in the left box where it's like a notes section, I'm going to put this to-do sticker. So I can put any to-dos that I have, which isn't much right now because of the quarantine or self-distancing or self-isolation, whatever you're calling it. I don't have a whole lot to do other than work, and making videos. Really, it's just too bad that I don't have the best setup here where that I can make videos, but like I said, I'm doing the best I can with what I got. So here I'm laying down some of the pink and rose gold bow washi from Simply Gilded in the header area of the inserts, and I put that mask down for sleeping in on Saturday. A little coffee cup to start the week off. And then here's like a little pencil cup or pen cup. So I'm going to put another one up on Saturday because that's kind of what I'm doing. Writing and taking notes and planning. And then I put the word sticker every day I'm hustling or quote sticker up at the top. So here I'm just looking for the numbers to date this, and I found the month. So I'm going to put that on there, and I'm going to use the date stickers from Crafting by the Pound. It's craftingbythepound.com. You can use my code RACH15 at Crafting by the Pound. But I'm using those numbers to date the insert or date my week. And I don't know, I think I may have accidentally cut the footage out, but I did add one of the other dolls in the safari gear, is what I think of it as. But in the green dress, I added her over on the left of Monday. Here I'm adding a little computer from Piper Paper Company and a little bag, a shopping bag, because I will be shopping online. I'm actually in the process of getting my orders together. And I'm putting down a little Target sticker because I will be ordering online from Target. And then a bill due sticker and a payday sticker from, again, Piper Paper Company. And here I'm going to put a wash hair. That's starting to be my day to do that, is Fridays. So, and these little quarter boxes and half boxes are available in my shop at Scrapcraftastic. And I'm just going to put down a few for highlighting things on specific days. These are the half boxes, and I have pastel, and then I have a brights version. And those again are on the website at scrapcraftastic.com, and actually you can use my code there, Rachelle20, to save 20% off your order. And if you don't have a way to print and cut your stickers, you can use Crafting by the Pound. They are the official print and cut shop for Scrapcraftastic. So they will print and cut any of the sticker sheets you purchase from my shop. Here I am adding another quote. I believe that says hustle hard. And I'm going to put a goals sticker down at the bottom. I'm really not good with doing goals, but with the current situation, I kind of need to plan ahead. So here I'm just going to use these little triangles as bullet points for my to-dos. And now I'm just going to pop this back in right behind last week. And that is it for this week's spread. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos, junk journals, and weekly vlogs. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye! Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be unboxing my March kit from Fabulously Creative. If you'd like to shop at Fabulously Creative, you can use my code RACHFAB, that's RACH FAB, to save 10% off your order, no minimum. Let's see what we've got. Ooh. So let's put this aside. Let's do one at a time. So I've got these stickers. Oh, they're so packaged very nicely. I didn't really want to have to open it up, but let's see what we got. I love this girl. Oh good, it's 2 sheets. So that's awesome. Okay, and then we got What's on the back of this one? Nothing. Okay. So then in this kit, we've got 2 sheets of this. Oh, no. We got this sheet, Pretty Plans, and the So Chic Planner Girl stickers. And then on this side, we've got Sweater Chic or Sweater Chic, and 2 of those. Okay. So this is what we're working with so far. Very nice. Okay. And then ooh, okay, that's a sticker. It's really pretty. What kind of sticker paper is that? Okay. This is a sticker. It says Girl Boss. Chanel bag sticker. Another purse sticker. Girl You Better Work sticker. And then this is a Project Life card. So all of that goes together. Then we got this little die cut kit. I think it's die cuts. Nice. Probably should keep these in the package. So you see the plant there on the back of it. And then let's take these out. So we've got a blush pink planner, a gold colored planner. This is a small Girl You Better Work. Let's see, this is an office chair, a plant, makeup bag or cosmetics bag. Maybe I need to zoom in. Can you see all of those? See all the details. So the little cosmetics bag, a pen holder or a pen cup. Same here. Then this is the mason jars with the flowers and pins. The Chanel bag. Oops. Girl Boss. Here's another of the mason jars. I think this is one of my favorites. The chair. Oh, no, maybe this one. This is a cup on a stack of books with the floral. That's really pretty. And then here's another purse. So all of those were in this packet. I'm going to kind of try to keep them together since these are small. I don't want to lose any. So let's put those back. And don't forget the plant on the back. Okay, and then this one. Oh, this is a sticker book. Yes. Okay. So this is a sticker pad, 16 sheets. And this is the Girl Boss collection, I think, again. Look at that. Too inspired to be tired. I love the word stickers. So you get 2 of each of those. This is nice. Chanel bags. So you get the stickers and the die cuts. And then it repeats, I think. Oh, my hand in the way. Sorry. Yeah. Wow. So that is really nice. So you get the sticker. I got the sticker book, the die cuts, Everything is so lovely. Okay, so that's it for the March kit from Fabulously Creative. Everything is so nice. If you would like to shop with Fabulously Creative, the website is thefabulouslycreative.com. You can use my code RACHFAB, that's RACHFAB, to save 10% off your order. Thanks for watching. Bye.